Oh, hello friends, welcome to Desi English speaking blog. Today I was about to go to Munger, but my bike became defective. So I have called the mechanic, and the mechanic checking my bike. Oh, I think there is some problem in the disc brake of my bike because when I ride it, the brake does not work properly. So it is very serious problem. So I have called the mechanic. Let me ask from mechanic what is the real problem. मिस्त्री जी क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ है बाइक में?
This खराब है directed.
Oh, you can see, and he is using his tools, and he will open the disc brake shoe में problem है. Oh, there is some problem in the brake shoe of disc brake. uh, the mechanic is repairing the bike. There are two mechanic, you can see I have called the two mechanic from Balia. The two mechanics are doing their best because I have told them that try to repair my bike as soon as it possible because I have to go to Munger and I am getting late for this. My bike is being repaired by the two mechanic. Let's ask from the mechanic how many time it will take to be repaired. मिस्त्री जी कितना टाइम इसमें लग जाएगा ठीक होने में? 10 मिनट में हो जाएगा. Let's wait for 10 minutes until my bike is being repaired. You can see they are scrubbing the Ceres paper on the disc plate. uh, ये सेरेस पेपर घसने इस पे घसने से क्या होगा मिस्त्री जी?
इसका प्लेट कटा हुआ है ना
अच्छा
ये उबड़ खाबड़ है इस वजह से इसमें
अच्छा
ब्रेक सही से पकड़ नहीं करता है स्क्रेच पेपर से
अच्छा
इसको बिल्कुल बराबर प्लेन कर देंगे तो ब्रेक से उसका सही काम करेगा.
अच्छा अच्छा. So let the mechanic do their work. So friends, I will inform you as the repairing of my bike is completed. Okay. The mechanic is still doing their work. They have opened the tire of my bike. Oh, and they are testing the other part of this brake. Oh, I don't know the name of this part, but I just know that this part hold and clutch the disc plate when we press the disc brake. This part hold and clutch the disc plate in order to stop bike when we ride it. And all these part work as disc brake. Now see, the mechanic is rubbing the plate using a tool. And the other mechanic is also doing some work. Um, the mechanic has given me the time of 10 minutes to be repaired, but I think it will take more than 10 minutes. So let's see how much time they will take. They are still trying. Let's ask from mechanic how many time it will take more. मिस्त्री जोड़ कितना टाइम लगेगा?
15 से 20 मिनट लगेगा.
There, the mechanics are saying that it will take up to 20 to 25 minutes to be repaired. So let's wait. I think the process of repairing bike has been almost completed. You can see they have fixed my tire and they are moving the tire. You can see they are moving tire and clutch in order to check. Let's ask from mechanic, is it completed or not? मिस्त्री जी हो गया क्या? Oh, they are saying that it is completed. So I will continue my journey. Friends, you can see that my bike has been repaired. Let's ask from mechanic how much is my bill. So friends, you can see that my bike has been repaired. Let's ask from mechanic the service charge of him. I'm asking the और मैकेनिक हाउ मच हिज सर्विसिंग चार्ज। मिस्त्री जी कितना आपका चार्ज हुआ?
200 रुपया।
200 रुपये।
हाँ।
अच्छा, इसमें क्या क्या करना पड़ा था?
ये डिश खोलना पड़ा, ब्रेक पेड खोलना पड़ा।
सो so friends, we have heard the problem of my bike. There was some problem in the disc and pad. So my bike has been repaired and I am paying the mechanic of his charge, servicing charge. Okay. लीजिए मिस्त्री जी। And they asked me 200 rupees, but I gave him only 100 rupees. The rest amount I will pay him later. चलिए मिस्त्री जी, कहीं नहीं, ठीक है सर जी।
ठीक है सर,
हाँ।
मिलेंगे फिर बाद में।